Yet another day of snow-covered Dallas. It's very unusual for us to get this much snow. We've been below freezing for 4 days in a row, which is unheard of. And it looks like about 6 inches of snow fell last night. Again, this is very, very unheard of for us here in Dallas. We never get this kind of weather. And as you can see, lots of snow here. And the bad thing is there's lots of ice underneath all of that snow. It doesn't accumulate very much here in the stairwell, just because I am in the stairwell. And we're in between snow bands right now, so more snow will be falling shortly. I'll show what the other side looks like. It is very pretty though. I don't have to do that much. Can't even see the sidewalk or anything down there. It's just one big thing of ice or snow. It is solid ice underneath the snow. You see that? Oh. It's a lot of snow that fell. There's 6 inches of snow. Good Lord, it's slippery underneath here. See, it's all just solid ice underneath the snow. Makes it very dangerous to walk. It's so cold, even the water's starting to freeze, which is weird here in Dallas. This is the Lake Highlands Town Center right here. Across here. To the park. I'm here at the Lake Highlands Town Center bridge. You can see right here, and I'm going to show you a very rare, excuse me, it's really cold out here, rare sight for Dallas, and it is still icy under here, but this is what's rare. The creek has actually frozen over, which it's been below freezing for several days here in a row, which is very rare for us. We never get below freezing for so long. It hasn't even gotten above 25 in the last 4 days. As you can see, the creek, a big creek, has frozen over, which almost never happens here in Dallas. Of course, you can't walk on it, it's too thin, but just to show you that it actually froze over, which is rare. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. So it would be the Lake Highlands Town Center. Again, a very rare sight of a frozen creek here in Dallas, Texas. In Lake Highlands. This does not happen this far south. I've lived here a long time. It's very rare that a creek would freeze. You can see it's right here at the Lake Highlands Town Center. You can see this is a pretty steep incline of a hill right here to go up. It's a lot of snow. You know, most cities plow their rail stations. Not Dallas. Here's the Lake Highlands rail station. As you can see, not one shovel of snow has moved. And yeah, a snow-covered train station. We don't have the ability to plow roads here in Dallas, because we don't have snow plows, it doesn't snow this often. There's the Lake Highlands High School Stadium back there, and here comes a DART train. I gotta keep an eye out for these cars. I don't want to get run over here. Because you never know these crazy Texas drivers are. But, train to Lake Highlands Station. So pretty. Check out how deep the snow is here. Here I am at the Lake Highlands Town Center, and the entire lake at the town center is frozen over, which is really rare for Dallas. So here is the Lake Highlands Town Center. Here's the lake, completely frozen over. It's been below freezing for the past 4 days here in Dallas, which is exceedingly rare. I haven't even gotten above 25 degrees, and as you can see, the entire town center lake froze over at the Lake Highlands Town Center. Again, very, very, very rare to see that happen. Again, I'm here at the Lake Highlands Town Center, and I am the first person to walk down here. And here are the lakes at the town center, probably something you'll never get to see again. The lakes at the Lake Highlands Town Center have all frozen over, which, like I said, is extremely rare to see here in Dallas. It just doesn't get that cold to where, for so long a period of time, to where a body of water can freeze. So here's the frozen lake at the Lake Highlands Town Center. I mean, up north this is no big deal, but here in Dallas this is a huge deal to see an entire lake freeze over. I'm not strong enough to go ice skating on, but nevertheless it did freeze over. It looks like a gigantic ice rink, actually. Here's the Lake Highlands Town Center. Probably rarely ever get to see it like this. Again, here's the lake. Frozen. Again, here's the Lake Highlands Town Center, all frozen over. It's the amphitheater.